After logging into the software, the home page displays 5 tabs to the center left. We will start with this tab. In this demonstration, we will look at the Alarms sub-tab. The Alarms page displays critical activity such as doors that are forced open. This page is divided into 2 sections. The upper section is for unacknowledged alarms. Scroll down to see the lower section. The lower section is for acknowledged alarms. To acknowledge an alarm or tell the system that the alarm has been seen or dealt with, simply click on a specific alarm. Note that this UI shows specific colors for certain alarms, which is not the default. Colors need to be configured to display in the system. Then, click the highlighted button. The alarm moves to the lower section, which is the Acknowledged Alarm list. This means that the alarm is acknowledged. To acknowledge multiple alarms, hold the Control key on the keyboard and select Multiple Alarms. Then, click this button. Select this button to acknowledge all alarms on the list, regardless if they are selected or not. Acknowledged alarms can also be cleared, which deletes them from the list. To clear an acknowledged alarm, select the alarm that needs to be cleared. In this demonstration, we will clear this alarm. And then click this button. The acknowledged alarm is cleared. To clear multiple alarms from this list, hold the Control key on the keyboard, select multiple alarms, and then click this button. Note that only operators with the right permissions can clear alarms. Selecting this button will clear all alarms on the list, regardless if they are selected or not. If video surveillance is integrated into the software, alarms that have this icon can be viewed. To view live video, click on the alarm and then click this button. Live video stream is displayed. Recorded video of the alarm can be viewed by clicking here. Alarms can also have associated instructions. To see the instructions associated with a particular alarm, select the alarm and then click this button. The instructions are displayed. An operator with the right permissions can read the instructions on what to do for that particular alarm. Operators with the right permissions can also add notes to the alarm by clicking here. A text field for notes displays. After entering applicable notes, click this icon to save the notes. Notes for this alarm can be reviewed or edited at any time by first clicking on the alarm and then by clicking this button. You can see the history of the selected alarm by clicking here. Similar to the Events page, you can change how the system displays alarms by clicking on the column headings. For example, currently the system is displaying alarms by event. You can change this to display by priority by clicking on this column heading. When alarms are displayed by priority, those with lower numbers likely require attention, as they are events like a forced door, power loss, or hardware tampering. Also, like the Events page, click here to save how you configure the system to display alarms. Or to configure which columns are displayed in the table, click here. To turn the alarm notification sound off, click here.